Today, we will be showing you how to properly open and close a classic Ford Bronco hood, and we will also be showing you how to deal with the tailgate. If this is your first time dealing with classic vehicles, there are some important things to keep in mind. So with that said, let's get started. To open your hood, pull the safety latch on the outside of the grille. Once the hood pops, reach in and release the hood lever by pushing up. A hood equipped with hood shocks will rise slowly on its own. Keep in mind, you don't need to force the hood up. As you can see, there's not much to opening the hood. Closing the hood is just as simple. All you need to do is grab the middle of the hood and pull down. Don't let the hood slam, and then just put outside pressure on the hood and push down firmly, and that's all there is to it. Opening and closing your hood is very simple. Opening and closing your tailgate is just as easy. All you need to do is grab and pull the tailgate handle to release the latches. Let the tailgate down slowly. To close your tailgate, lift it back up gently, then pull and hold your tailgate handle and release once the tailgate is in place. Give a firm shake to double check that your tailgate is closed properly and you're ready to hit the road. There you guys go. It is that simple. While there are some nuances to pick up with a classic Ford Bronco, it's not that difficult at all. If you guys have any questions, feel free to get a hold of us.